Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam and this is Yewtopia Plum Yew from the Southern Living Plant Collection in 2 minutes. I planted a row of these Yewtopia Plum Yews on the other side of my lot over here. This variety gets about 3 to 4 feet in height, and I wanted just a little low border in a corner just as a backdrop to some other things I had planned to plant over there. This is a perfect choice for this plant. This is a part shade or shade loving plant. The area that I have them in on the other side of my yard gets a lot of morning sun, and then it's in quite a bit of shade the rest of the day. This is a super low maintenance plant. If you're looking for a foundation plant or a container plant or some sort of border plant like I used over there in the shade that you really just don't want to fuss with, this Yewtopia Plum Yew would be a perfect choice. Gets 3 to 4 feet in height, 3 to 4 feet in width, insect resistant, disease resistant, deer resistant. Super slow growing, which to me is a benefit of any plant that you put on a foundation. It just means you're only going to have to prune it or reset it every few years, once it gets to the height you want to keep it at. I really like that. It can be pruned anytime between the late winter and maybe mid to late June would be appropriate if you needed to prune it. Like I say, you're rarely ever going to have to prune it, and then it can be fertilized in the late winter with a slow release fertilizer. Mound it up a little bit if you have clay soils. Super industrial. It's really kind of soft to the touch, so you don't have to worry about it hurting you if you walk past it or anything like that, like some other conifers can be kind of prickly. This one is not. Here are the 7 that I planted last year. These are hardy in zone 6 to 10. They've put on maybe 3 or 4 inches of growth this year, which I think is ideal if you're looking for a foundation plant that you're not going to have to do a lot of maintenance on. But I really have liked these plants, and I just like the idea of just not having any maintenance whatsoever on them. So thank you very much for watching this video. Be on the lookout for these Yewtopia Plum Yews from the Southern Living Plant Collection.